This one, I don't know if you can see it, my finger pointing to it. This phone camera is not doing it any justice. This thing is lighting up blue. Hang on. It is lighting up blue. Maybe you can see it on the camera there. But I'm seeing the whole tip of this swab lighting up a luciferase blue. I see it so clearly with my bare eyes. But this phone camera is playing games. Look, can you see that? Can you see that one light up? See how they'll sneak maybe one or two of them? Can you see the blue dot there, the luciferase blue? They'll sneak one or two into a whole packet. Counting on you, not checking. See it there? And not noticing. Okay. Let's look. Can see something lighting up inside the packet. But that one right there, you can see that, right? Do you see that? Do you see that one lighting up? Right there. I'll actually take a proper screenshot and I'll use it as a thumbnail in this video. Let's turn the packet around. Yep. I see another one lighting up on the side. It's lighting up blue, but my camera is not showing it for some reason. Oh, we bind you, Satan, in the mighty name of Jesus. You are not going to hide this. I rebuke you in the mighty name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Lord, please reveal this so people can see it. Where'd it go? Hang on. I don't want to open this packet because I do not want to have any physical contact with it. You can't hide, Satan. I know you're in there. There it is. Do you see it? Do you see that little thing there lighting up blue? You see it? Like, hang on. I can see it so blue and so clearly with my eyes. This phone camera does not want you to see it. Can you see it right there? You see that lighting up? Why is it doing that? The rest of them don't seem to be affected. But they sneak that one. That one there. Do you see it? They sneak that in. Rebuke you in the mighty name of Jesus. I encourage you to get a Blacklight and test all the swabs that you use, the cotton buds. You see it there lighting up? See that one? You can see the purple and you can see the luciferase blue. Man, this phone camera, for real. Oh, goodness. All right, I'm going to try and hold this. All right. All right, you see it? You see that? That one there? Right there. Bottom right. Lighting up like a Christmas tree. Pagan idol. See it? You see that? See? There we go. Right there. Busted. Busted. So now you see.